Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's day number 15, so we will be unboxing door number 15 of my LookFantastic advent calendar that was gifted to me by LookFantastic themselves. So let's just jump right in. This is an e-cooking vitamin C serum, fragrance free, vegan friendly and allergy certified, and this is in the cutest little dropper bottle ever. Oh my goodness, you get such a lot out of this small little bottle, and it packs quite a punch. It really is fragrance free. And the tiniest bit goes such a long way. That has just done both of my hands and the backs of my hands. It really is fragrance free. Usually when you get skincare, they overboard themselves with these fragrance and perfumes, and they're just not good on my sensitive skin. That melted into my skin so fast as well. Might prickle and cause redness, not for sensitive skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it and it is a moisture boost. Now, I have used vitamin C serum before. I have not necessarily used the e-cooking version of the serum. That feels really good on the back of my hand. I have heard of e-cooking before. They are all over LookFantastic, but I have never actually actively used one of their products before, so I'm interested to see more about what they can come out with and what they do. They are made in Denmark by House of Cosmetics for they are made in Denmark by House of Cosmetics AS for e-cooking AS. And they list their ingredients as well very clearly on the label, which is nice to see. So that was day number 15. Thank you so much for joining me. Tune in again tomorrow to unbox door number 16 on the 16th of December. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.